Ready to unlock the secrets to connecting with realtors and building a thriving network, one cold call at a time. Step 1. Do your homework. Before you even think about dialing, deep dive into the realtor's business. Check out their active listings, recent sales, and online presence. Understand their target market and current focus. Knowledge is your power. Step 2. Ditch the generic script. Tailor your message. Highlight how you can specifically solve a problem for that realtor, whether it's generating leads, improving their marketing, or offering a unique service. Make it about them, not you. Step 3. Lead with value within the first few seconds. Clearly state the benefit you offer. Are you a mortgage broker who can pre-qualify their buyers faster? A photographer who can create stunning property visuals? Get to the point. Step 4. Listen more than you talk. Ask open-ended questions to understand their current challenges. For example, ask what's the biggest obstacle you're facing in acquiring new listings right now. This shows you care and allows you to offer relevant solutions. Step 5. Build rapport. Be friendly, professional, and genuinely interested in their success. Even if they're not interested right now, leave a positive impression. A simple "thanks for your time, I appreciate it" goes a long way. Step 6. Prepare for objections. Not interested or too busy are common hurdles. Have concise responses ready. Try something like, "I understand you're busy, but I can show you how I can save you time and bring you more clients." Step 7. Persistence pays off, but professionalism is key. Don't be discouraged by initial rejection. Follow up strategically, offering new insights or resources each time. Remember, building relationships takes time and consistent effort. Now, go out there and start connecting. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips.